To enter recovery mode in Pixel 8, pause the video now and get your device ready. I'm going to start the key combination in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down until I release, or in your case, if your screen is on, until the screen goes black. So any moment now, the screen is black, so we will release from both buttons. Now press and hold power and volume down, and we're going to keep these two held down until we see fast boot mode. I'm going to cut this. In fast boot mode, release from both buttons. Now, click volume up until this one says recovery mode, and then click the power button to select. We're not done just yet, because we're going to see no commands. So while holding the power button, just click and release volume up. Now release. And you use volume down and up to go up and down, and you click the power button to select your option.